Blessings everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into 30 powerful Jamaican proverbs or sayings, along with their meaning, packed with wisdom, humor, truth, and cultural discussions. These are the same lines our grandparents used to teach us life lessons. Let's jump right into it.
Hi, welcome to the Mix Up channel. Please watch and enjoy.
I group them by themes to make them easy to use and understand. Section 1, Wisdom in Life Lessons. Number 1, Patois, if you want good, your nose have to run. Standard English, if you want good, your nose will have to run. Meaning, success requires sacrifice. Number 2, Patois, one day a bucket go well, the bottom must drop out. Standard English, one day a bucket will go to the well, but the bottom must drop out. Meaning, wrongdoings will eventually catch up with you, or risky behavior eventually leads to consequences. Number 3, Patois, no matter how long a rope stay in the sun, it can't turn snake. Standard English, no matter how long a rope stay in the sun, it can't turn snake. Meaning, people can pretend, but they can't hide their true nature. Number 4, the longest rope have an end. Standard English, the longest rope have an end. Meaning, every situation, good or bad, has an ending. Number 5, cat paw never kill rat. Standard English, a cat's paw will never kill a rat. Meaning, soft approaches won't solve big problems. Number 6, now put off today's work for tomorrow. Standard English, don't put off today's work for tomorrow. Meaning, don't procrastinate and do things now. Number 7, work not kill nobody. Standard English, work doesn't kill anyone. Meaning, hard work won't harm you, laziness will. Number 8, plant corn, can't expect to reap peas. Standard English, you plant corn but don't expect to reap peas. Meaning, what you sow is what you reap. Number 9, small ox hold big tree. Standard English, small ox hold big tree. Meaning, with consistency, you can defeat big obstacles. Number 10, dog will sweat, but long hair hide it. Standard English, a dog will sweat, but it's a long hair hides it. Meaning, people often hide their struggles. Number 11, taking teeth keep heartburn. Standard English, take green teeth to stop or slow down heartburn. Meaning, people sometimes laugh to hide their pain. Number 12, when puss belly full, rat run about. Standard English, whenever a cat's belly is full, the rats run about. Meaning, when someone in power relaxes their guard, trouble rises. Number 13, can't get goat, settle for cow. Standard English, can't get goat, settle for cow. Meaning, sometimes you have to compromise. Number 14, dance a yard before you dance abroad. Standard English, try dancing at home before going anywhere. Meaning, build your skills at home first. Number 15, trouble not set like rain. Standard English, trouble doesn't set like rain. Meaning, problems come suddenly. Number 16, fire their most tail, him think a cool breeze. Standard English, fire at your tail, but you think it's cool breeze. Meaning, sometimes danger is close and you don't realize it. Number 17, stone a river cast up, same stone come back down. Standard English, stone that what the river cast up, same stone come back down. Meaning, your actions come back to you. Number 18, anything too good for true, most time I saw. Standard English, anything too good to be true, most time it is. Meaning, be careful of things that look perfect. Number 19, now call alligator long mouth till across the river. Standard English, don't call an alligator long mouth until you cross the river. Meaning, don't insult someone while they still have influence over you. Number 20, two bulls can't reign in the same pen. Standard English, two bulls cannot reign in the same pen. Meaning, two leaders often clash. Number 21, parson christen him picnic first. Standard English, parson christen him child first. Meaning, charity begins at home. Number 22, every day the bucket go well, Standard English, every day a bucket go to a well, meaning eventually consequences arrive. Number 23, bird can't fly upon one wing. Standard English, a bird can fly on one wing, meaning everyone needs help, no one succeeds alone. Number 24, you can't serve two masters. Standard English, you cannot serve two masters, meaning you can't fully commit to two conflicting responsibilities. Number 25, the pot a calling the kettle black. Standard English, the pot calling the kettle black, meaning don't criticize someone for something you do too. Number 26, you can't get milk without squeezed cow. Standard English, you can't get milk without squeezed cow, meaning you can't get benefit without effort. Number 27, na buy post in a bag. Standard English, no one buy post in a bag, meaning don't commit to something without checking it first. Number 28, cop mouth kill cop. Standard English, cop mouth kill cop, meaning talking too much can get you into trouble. Number 29, every rope have an end. Standard English, every rope have an end, meaning nothing lasts forever. And number 30, when you dig hole, dig two. Standard English, when you dig a hole, dig two, meaning bad mind, plans circle back. Be careful what you do. And that's it for today. 30 powerful Jamaican proverbs that still shape our culture and guide our lives. Drop your favorite one in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves Jamaican wisdom.